Okay, let's start this review. Yeah, I'm feeling a little silly here. So I am starting right off with the number one question I always get with earbuds, depending upon the design and style, is do they work with glasses? So I have my glasses on here. They are totally comfortable. They work perfectly. Let's talk about the things you really want to know. How good are they and what are they good at? So these are for sports. They are the K23 model, which I find to be a really good solid middle for me, right? If you're running or riding a bike, the over-the-ear or open-ear design is all the rage for safety purposes, but the audio is never good as a true earbud like this, right? So if you're doing anything else, if you're going to the gym, you're flying on an airplane, you're working out in your backyard, you're going for a walk, you're on the sidewalk, you're not on the street, you're not worrying about things. These are a much better audio quality sound. Now, they are not unbelievable audiophile pieces of equipment. That's not the budget on these, right? But for what they are super high quality. A couple things that you want to know if you're going to make calls on them, if you're going to be doing a little work while you're going for your walk and listening to music and you want to be able to take calls. Number one, they connect super easy. Number two, each headset has two microphones. So between the four, they try to weed out ambient noise in the background. Now, it's not noise cancellation, but they select the best quality audio so you have a better call, not full noise cancellation, but a better call than just straight microphone, one or two microphones taking your call. The audio sound is really good. Battery life is good. They are IPX7, which means that they are, don't go swimming with them. Don't go swimming with them. But if you want to go for a run in the rain, if you get really sweaty when you work out, all those kind of situations, it falls off in a puddle. Again, pick it up, dry it off, it's going to be okay. Those things are all fine, just don't go swimming with them. Don't take a shower with them. A little common sense. Basically water resistant, not waterproof. This battery case has a huge, did I say battery case? I gave it away. This case for the earbuds has a giant battery. So in total, let's say you go on vacation and you don't want to have to charge it all up, you could have 130 hours of listening time. Grab this, jump on the plane, put it in your backpack. You can, 130 hours, that's 5 days? 5 days. 5 days you could be traveling, listening 24 hours a day, and you're still not going to run out of battery. That's how much battery power is here. Lots of battery power. Bluetooth is 5.0, which is not the most current spec, but we're not buying the wildest set of earbuds either. So this is completely appropriate for what they are. All that means is your range is a little closer, right? But normally, if you're going to the gym and you're going to be wearing these, your cell phone's in your pocket or nearby or in the, you put it down next to you while you're lifting some big old weights. The Bluetooth connection really isn't a big issue. Overall, absolutely outstanding for what they're supposed to be. Really, for like, let's call it like a low to middle market kind of thing, and jack of all trades, absolutely outstanding for that. I'm a big fan. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.